Moshi Moshi, I'm Okami. Today we're going to be working on nature wind chimes. So first you're going to take first you're going to gather your things. You need a long stick and a couple of things that you will string on there. I have 2 sticks, a pine cone, and a rock. So first, is there a long string in here somewhere? No, there is not. They're all the same size. You take your string and tie it to the really long stick. You are going to take the nature items you gathered and tie them to a string. And once you have that, you will take the string and tie it to your long stick. Then you will continue to do that with the next couple of strings. You can always glue it if you have trouble. Continue to tie the things to the thing. And finally, the pine cone. Had to see how close it needed to be so it would make sound. Ta-da! Nature wind chime. Find a place where it'll be nice and windy and hang it up.